Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous class we have learned that how to build one conference page with HTML and CSS, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now in this project we will learn that how to build one website product display in HTML and CSS, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you are enjoying my all previous HTML and CSS projects. So let's start. So now first of all we have to open our text editor called brackets. Okay, so just I will open that over here. Okay, so here you can see that I have just opened my brackets text editor over here. Okay, so I will just close this file, and over here you can see just I will create some I will just save the files. Okay, so I will just give it the name as like I will just give it the product. Okay, so it is not product, I will just give it the name of like web.html, and I will just save it on desktop and just save. Then I will just go to untitled 2, then save it as like web.css, and I will also save that on desktop, and I will just close these files from here. Oh, just there is mistake from here. Okay, so I will just take that file to my text editor again. Okay, so over here I will just create my first code of HTML. Okay, like if you write this sign and then press tab, so your all starting code of HTML has been come. Okay, here you can see that. Now over here I will just write the link tag. Okay, so for writing tag I will just write link, then press tab. Over here I will just link my style sheet. Over here I will let web.css, and over here I will just make the class of like div.column. Okay, so if you write div.column, so if you press tab, so automatically your class will be created with the help of our emit tag which we have downloaded in our first class. Okay, in brackets text editor, and over here I will just define my image over here. Okay, so I will just not write any text, only I will just write over here new arrivals. Okay, because I will just take images over here. Okay, so I will just write new arrivals over here, and over here I will do one thing like it is just good, so I will just write the image name and I will just erase this alt. I will just write like watch.jpg, then I will again write image, and now the image should be of like shirt. Okay, shirt.jpg. Then over here I will copy this. Okay, so I will just erase this, and now I will copy. Okay, so just copy this and paste that. Okay, and over here I will just change its name, so I will just take it the shirt. Okay, so this one I will just take it shirt, and now over here I will just write the name of shoes. Okay, so now I will just take 4 images over here, you can see that. Okay, so now if I show you, save that, and now if I just go over here and show you over here, so now here you can see that. Okay, so just it is waiting. So here you can see I have just had 4 images which is really big. Okay, so we will set their size over here. So first of all I have to set this new arrivals. Okay, so I will do one thing, I will just go to my CSS file, and over here I will just create margin 0, like you all know. Again I will just create the padding also should be 0. Okay, so over here I will do one thing, like I will also write the box sizing. Okay, if you want to write, so you can write, or you can also not write over here border box, and now like that I have written over here. Okay, so here you can see I have just write over here like that over here. So over here you can see that new arrivals is written over here. So I will do one thing, I will erase this border box. Okay, so over here I will come over here and I will just define over here like h1. Okay, so first of all I have to just define my font family over here. So I will write font family should be of like Poppins. Okay, so I will write Poppins, and I will write sans serif over here. So I will just like write like that. Over here I will just give it the font size. Okay, so font size I should want to give it 30 pixel. If I just show you, okay, so just go to Google Chrome, so come over here, and here you can see now it is just looking good. Okay, so I will do one thing, I will just give it the font weight. Okay, so I will just give it the font weight of like 700, and over here I will just give it the color also, but now I will just give it the color of crimson. Okay, means it is color like a red. Okay, you can choose that also. So here you can see that now it is just transfer into crimson color, and I will just take it to center align. Okay, so I will let text align. Okay, so I want to align text in the center, so I will let text align center, then I will save, and now if I show you, so here you can see now it has been in center. Okay, so I will do one thing, I will minimize, I will come over here and I will just define my class of column. Okay, so I have to just write one thing like dot column, and I have to write image, and over here I will just, you don't have to write square bracket, I will just write curly brackets over here, and over here I have to define the width should be 100%. Okay, so now if I show you, so here you can see, save that, and over here you can see that now my just image has been just go to too small. Okay, here you can see. Now I will do one thing over here. I will just minimize that and I will just change it to 40% if I do save from here. And now here you can see that now if I do 40%, so it is looking like that. Okay, it is just looking like that. So I will do one thing over here. I will just give it that all margin. Okay, so I will do just I will come over here and I will write over here float into left. Okay, so if you write float into left and save, so now here you can see now it is float into left and just it is having no spaces. Okay, so just it is not looking really cool. Okay, so I will just minimize that over here and I will do one thing. Okay, so I will come over here and I will just give it the padding. Okay, so first of all you have to give it the margin. So I will give it the margin of like 150 pixel. Okay, so write 150 pixel over here, save that from here. Okay, so just come over here and now here you can see that. Okay, so we are having 150 pixel from here, but I will just if I just transfer it to like 50, so save from here. So just close that and save from here. Okay, so now here you can see that. Okay, so I have just taken the image. Okay, so now it is not looking just like cool over here, so I will just come over here and I will just give it to 30. Okay, so just it is 30 over here. Okay, so now here you can see just it is looking like that over here. Okay, so I will do one thing over here. I will just take it the margin and the padding I should also have to give. So I will just give it the padding of 30 pixel from here. Okay, so just save from here and now here you can see I have also have padding over here. Okay, so I have to do one thing over here, like now I have space over here, but I have to just do the space slow. Okay, so I have to just do the space so I will come over here and I will do one thing, like I will just give the class. Okay, so I will just write div and I will write the class of wrapper. Okay, so wrapper with the class I will just copy this div and paste that over here and I will just save from here and I will just come over here, right over here dot wrapper image, and I will come over here and I have to write over here like width is perfect, so I have to write margin. Okay, margin left. Okay, so I will write margin right because I have to just do it into left, so I will write 25 pixel. So just save and now if I show you, so here you can see now it has been just going just come back and here you have to write like if I write 58. Okay, so save from here and now here just it is not going, so I will just change it to left align, then save from here and here just it is going over here. Okay, so I have to do one thing over here. Okay, so just it is going to going over here and now here if I just take it to 58 pixel. Okay, I have just taken to, so I will just do it to 30 if I do save from here and now here you can see it is just going. So if I do like 10, okay, so if I do 10, save that and here you can see now it is just moving back to our watch picture. Okay, here you can see it is just moving back to our watch picture over here. I will just change it to 1 and say from here and now here you can see just it is looking good. Okay, so over here I will just do like that. Okay, so I have to do one thing, I have to just take it between. Okay, means I have to just take it forward with this. Okay, so I will just take the gap between them, so I will come over here and I will write div, then I will just give it the class of watch and I will copy this div from here. Okay, and I will paste that over here and I will just space from here and save from here, come over here, write dot watch and I will write image. I will just write over here margin right 20 pixel, save. Okay, just save that and now here if I do, so here you can see it is just looking like that. Okay, so just I will do margin right I have doing, so I will just change it to margin left if I do, so save from here and now here you can see it is just going back. Okay, so I have to do it like 10 if I do. Okay, so now if I just do like that, so now both are going back. Okay, so 20 pixel will be perfect if I do it. So now just here you can see that now it is just going forward over here. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, so just like that you can do this. Okay, so over here we have just done our work till over here. Now here I will just give it the class of like also that copy this wrapper from here and I will just paste this wrapper over here. Okay, so if I do that, save from here and now if I show you over here, so just it is looking like that. Okay, so now it is just not good over here. Okay, so it is not aligned with that, so I will just erase this and I will just write over here close div. Okay, so I will write close div, and over here I will just write div, and I will just give it the class of shoes. Okay, so I will copy this div, and I will just paste that over here, and say from here. And now here I have to do like dot shoes, and over here I will write margin right should be 100 pixel. If I do save, okay, just save that, and now here you can see it is just going back. Okay, so I have to not do that, so I will just give it the left over here. So if I just save from here, so now here you can see it is just not good, so I will just give it to 30. Okay, so it was 300, so I am giving that 30. So here you can see now when I have given 30, so it is just aligned like that. Okay, so I will just do one thing over here, I will just take it again back, so I will just do it 10, save from here, and now here you can see it is just looking like that. Okay, so just we have to align that from here, so I will just do it 5, save, and now here you can see now our image has been aligned with that. Okay, from here and then from here also. Okay, so just we have to align this one also, so I will do one thing over here, like I will just copy this. Okay, I will just copy this and paste that over here, and I will just change it to shirt. But now I have to write the class of shirt also, because we have not defined, so I will write class shirt. Okay, so I will write shirt class, copy this and paste that over here, save from here, and now just come over here, and now here we have to just change it to right. Okay, so right over here, right, then save, then come over here, and now here you can see that. Okay, so just it is looking like that. Okay, so I will come over here, if I do it to left. Okay, so do it left, then save. Okay, so just here you can see it is just looking like that, 10 pixel if I do. Okay, so save from here, and now here just it is going back. Okay, so I will just change it to right. Okay, so it should be into left. Okay, so just here you can see it is going to left, 30 pixel, save, and just it is going to left. Okay, so here you can see now it has been aligned. Okay, but this image has been not aligned over here. Okay, so I will do one thing, I will come over here, and I will just go to this watch one. Okay, so now here I have to do that 20. Okay, so margin should be of 20 over here. Okay, so just if I hit refresh, so here you can see now it has been just good like that. Okay, over here, so I will come over here, and I will do one thing, like I will just copy this. Okay, copy, and I will paste these all things over here. Okay, so just if I save from here, and I will just erase this. Okay, shoes and shirt. So now here you can see now it has been aligned, but just we have to change the image. Okay, so I will come over here, and I will just change this image. Okay, so I will just change it to shoes, and I will save from here, and I will save it from here also. Okay, so just here you can see now it has been aligned over here. Okay, so just it has been aligned with each other and looking really cool. Okay, here you can see just spaces from the top over here, and we have also spaces from here. Okay, so we have just made our product display over here. Okay, so just if I toggle, okay, here you can see it is just looking like that over here. So I will just come over here, and I will do one thing, like I will just write position of absolute. Okay, so just write position absolute, then come over here, and now here just it is looking like that, and I will just change it to relative. Okay, so if you do it relative, so now here you can see how it will be looking. So just it is now simple looking. Okay, so now if I show you again, so here you can see it is just looking like that over here. Okay, so just in mobile you can see, so it will be just like that, because mobile is small device, and you can see that in like that. Okay, so we don't align that in center. Okay, we have just make it into corner, so because of that it is having in corner. Okay, here you can see that. So in mobile you can see like that, and in PC or laptop, so you can see like that, or in pad also. Okay, so you can see like that over here. Okay, so here you can see padding, and here is from padding, then there is margin underneath that. Okay, so just like that you can make your own product display. Okay, and I have just made it product display of like shirts, then watch and shoes. Okay, so you can also take your own pictures and make like that. Okay, so you can also take your images in one line and make that. Okay, so like this you can make your own product display like that. Okay, in HTML and CSS. I hope you also enjoyed this class like you're enjoying previous project. Okay, so just you have to practice these all projects that we are working in HTML and CSS. Okay, so I hope you also be a good programmer of HTML and CSS also. Okay, so I will meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.